Right, so it's been snowing lately, and that just made me think about things like sorbets and snow cones in particular. Now, I don't have any cones to put snow in, and I think snow cones are normally made from chipped ice rather than actual snow anyway. But I just thought with this fantastic natural resource around here, we would try and make a dessert out of actual snow. And so we've made today yellow snow. Okay, so in this pan we've got 100 grams of white sugar. We've also got this nice apple and mango juice here, which is proper, not from concentrate, pressed apple and mango juice. So we can give that a shake up. And we've got 100 ml of that juice going into the pan. And we're going to make a nice syrup. So over a gentle heat, we're just going to whisk those two ingredients together until the sugar's fully dissolved. Don't even need to bring that to the boil, we just need to warm it and whisk it until there is no evidence of grainy sugar left in the bottom, which we are there now. So that's the syrup. We'll take that off the heat and then we're going to cool it right down. Okay, most of the snow actually in the garden has melted now, but this seems like a good place to cool that down. Maybe we'll just kind of do a bit of that there as well. Pack a bit of snow around it, just to absorb a bit of the heat from that pan. Pack it around the pan like that to cool it down. There we go, that should cool down in no time. But of course, with all the snow melted, where are we actually going to find our culinary snow from? Well, fortunately, I sent one of my minions out earlier in the day to collect me a box of fresh snow from the cleanest place they could find. So we'll just keep that in the freezer until we're ready with the syrup. Okay, so I think we're more or less ready to go. So we've got some nice clean snow here that Steph collected earlier for me. So we're going to take a nice little scoop of snow into our bowl there. Lovely. Okay, and then some of the mango and apple syrup that we prepared earlier. We're just going to pour that over the top of that ice right there. There we go, I think that's probably about right. So it would be snow cones if we had cones, but we don't have cones, so it's just yellow snow in a bowl. So let's give that a little taste right now. Yeah, that's actually quite nice, it tastes like sorbet. So there we go, that's yellow snow. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.